Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to configure a Siemens 1200 series 1212C using TI portal with the ODOT-PNM02 protocol converter. The ODOT-PNM02 version 2.0 is a powerful tool that converts Modbus RTU/ASCII or custom protocols to Profinet. It supports up to 50 commands and is super easy to set up. Just upload the GSD file to TI portal. First, open the TI software and create a new project. Switch to the project view and add a new device. For this demonstration, we're using the 1212C model, Siemens S7-1200 to 1AE40-0XB0. Click on Devices and Networks. Select the PLC network port and right-click to open Properties. In the General Ethernet section, you can set the PLC's IP address. Next, go to the taskbar and click Manage General Station Description Files. Locate the path where the GSD file is stored and click Install. Finally, go back to Devices and Networks and open the Network view. In the Hardware catalog, expand Other Field Devices, Profinet I/O. Select Profinet I/O Gateway and find Modbus Gateway. Locate PNM02L version 2.0 to confirm the GSD file was added successfully. Drag the PNM02L version 2.0 module from the Hardware catalog into the Network view. Connect the PNM02 Gateway's network to the PN interface of the S7-1200 PLC. Select the PN port of the PNM02 Gateway. Then click Ethernet address to set the gateway's communication IP address. Enter the Profinet device name you set earlier under Online Access Settings. Make sure the device name here matches the one configured before. Select the PNM02 module, right-click, and choose Assign Name Online. Update the list to check if the names match. Double-click the gateway to open the device view, then select the gateway. Under General Parameters, configure the module settings. Double-click the gateway to add instructions. In this demo, we'll set it up as a master station, adding one read instruction and one write instruction. Click the instruction properties to configure the parameters. In this demo, we're using the COM1 port, so we'll select COM1. Compile the program, then download it to the device. Once the download is complete, open the variable monitoring table. Input the variables corresponding to the instructions added earlier. Go to the Online option in the taskbar, click Online, then select Device and Network. If the line between the PLC and Gateway turns green, it means communication is working properly. We'll use Modbus Slave to simulate two slave devices. Make sure these parameter settings match the PLC's configuration. Let's start by assigning some values to the read area. Then, monitor the variables in the read area. You can see the data updates in real time. Now let's set the write area variable to 1. and you'll notice the data syncs up as well. This confirms that the communication is successful. That's all for today's session. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.